Hi everyone, this is Kathie Ryan in Bundaberg, Queensland. Here you see before you a 12 by 16 or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, and there's nothing on it. Pulled out my Susan, haven't used that in a very long time, and I have this strainer. It's one of the set my daughter gave me for a present there a while back, and I haven't used those all that much either. And a cup of coffee, of course. Yesterday I had my coffee here. I poured blue paint into it, so I'm hoping that's not going to happen today. So I'm going to do a dirty cup. I'm using vermilion, phthalo blue and gold. I have black there too. Putting it into here. Once I get this cup done, my bird is screeching at me. He wants to go outside. But it's about to rain, so I'd prefer he didn't. Nagged by birds, nagged by dogs. Everyone gets nagged around here. Okay, so this is coming along nicely. I might just do, I'll dribble that in a minute, a dribble of black, but I didn't want a lot of black because I'm going to put it around the edges if I need. They'll have to be moved about now, out of the way, because I'm going to spin. And right, so that black I'm hoping will sink to the bottom. Alright, let's do this. Gold. Not a lot of gold. I don't know what happened to it. Maybe the sparkling will come out a bit later. Waiting for the rest of it to come down. I don't know why it's done this. It must be on a bit of a lean. Should have left that. Can still leave it. See? Left with the gold. Vermilion. Goodness gracious, birds. Okay, so let's do this. Going to move some black. Let it run on, I think. I might have to just tilt it to bring it down, which I didn't want to do. It's very dark. I don't know. There she stops. So it's too dark for my liking. But as you can see, by adding that vermilion, alright, so what I'm going to do, mix up a bit more phthalo, a bit more vermilion and some white to lighten it. You can see here, I mean I can see the patterns, but really it's, yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Right, so I mixed up some more phthalo blue, some more vermilion and some white. And we're going to try this just one more time. And here's hoping, fingers and toes crossed. But I'm pouring this cup just that little bit different, this time more paint of each colour. And the white, maybe some down the centre, and hopefully it won't be as dark as this, but we shall see what we shall get. Now, you have to admit that's a lot lighter. Stretch out the last of this paint too. So I know I've got plenty on there. But that last little bit maybe a bit of white for the centre, eh? Right people, let's step back. Give that a second to do its thing. Have a sip of coffee. Now here we go. It's gone over one edge a lot faster than any of the others. I don't know. I don't suppose I should tilt it, but here we go. Does need to go a bit more, because I can see one corner there not done. Alright, when it stops here now, that corner has been done. Maybe a bit there on the edge. Okay, so now, oh, it's looking alright too. Yes. Oh, I really like this. I might just give it another spin for that centrepiece to move a bit. Come on, centrepiece, move. Alright, doesn't really want to, so I'll help it. There we are, that's all I'm going to do. This is really pretty. So I'm going to just wipe my hands off and give it a torch. There are some cells there, must be coming from the Floetrol, because I certainly put no silicone in. How's it doing? Oh yes. I think when I torch it in a minute to get those air bubbles out, I'm going to get a few more cells, but I don't really know. So here's hoping they're only on this outside part. that. I don't really want to encourage the cells in that centre. Alright, how pretty is that? It was a little bit difficult getting it to come out, but it did. And the blue has come through as well, mixed with the white here and made different shades. Very nice. And this looks like a flower-ish, sort of. Alright, I'll bring you down to have a look. And I rather like the stripes on that side there that you can see. And I'll bring you up. I actually am thinking, I've got another canvas there. I might do one the same as this, but just in black and white. So this is what I've been looking at. As you can see, it's very exciting. I have to use these strainers a little bit more often, I think, get better at using them. So the recipes for the paints and pouring medium you can find below, show more under the video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. I like that centerpiece. Okay. And thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.